kids, hello and welcome back to another new session with me. Today we're going to do something really liquidy because today we're going to deal with liquids. And today we are going to measure volume and capacity. Okay, volume and capacity means we are going to find out which units are used to measure liquids. First we did what? We measured length. Then we measured weight of solid things, okay? How heavy you are. Now for liquids, we use the word as capacity. How much it can occupy, alright? Liquids means what? Anything that's flowy. So water is a liquid. Milk is liquid. Tea is liquid. Juice is liquid. So we're going to deal with all these liquid stuffs. Okay, so the units of measurement that we are going to learn is about 1 liter. The formula says 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Just like 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. And same way right now, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Now let's try to understand what is the exact amount of volume or capacity that we are trying to find out. Okay, so in your everyday items, let's pick out a few things. First, I'm going to pick out 1 liter. Can you see? Yeah, I picked up this bottle because the quantity of this water is 1 liter. Can you see? Net quantity how much? 1 liter. This whole bottle, alright, contains 1 liter of water. Not right now, but when we fill it till the top. This bottle can contain, this has got the volume and capacity of containing how much water? 1 liter of water. Can I even say it contains 1000 milliliters? Yeah, because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Now let's try to understand what is half of a liter. Half of a liter will be 1000 का आधा क्या है? 500 milliliters. So let's see what will show us 500 milliliters. Here is my sanitizer. And do you know how much this sanitizer bottle can contain? It can contain 500 ml. Short form for milliliter is ml. So when this was full, it can hold 500 milliliters of liquid or sanitizer. Next we have 200 ml. Now the medicines that we have, this multivitamin syrup contains 200 ml of medicine, and same way we can see there are so many containers which contain 100 ml and 50 ml. Now you must be thinking, I don't use this ml. Who looks at all this ml? Oh, no. You have to see ml, especially when you're giving medicine. You must have seen various instruments that we use to measure medicine. For example, you have the famous dropper. This dropper has a few measurements in it. Okay, you even use this. Every medicine has this on top of it, especially to measure how much medicine to give. The doctor writes on his prescription, right? 2.5 ml or 3 ml or 4 ml to be given twice a day. Alright, so we use this. We also use medicine spoon. This medicine spoon also has a few measurements to measure the volume or capacity, okay, of how much medicine should be given. And we also have a medicine bottle. For example, I want to give 20 ml of medicine. So what I'll do is, I will measure it like this. This is my glass. Here is my liquid. I will measure it exactly. 4. This is 10 ml. Okay. And then I'll continue pouring. And I'll stop. This is 20 ml. You will see that every baby's bottle has measurement. This is very, very important. Okay? Especially when you serve medicine. But this is important for everything. You go to the shopkeeper and say, 1 liter दूध देना. Right? Or you say, आधा लीटर दूध देना. लीटर में 1000 मिलीलीटर है तो आधा लीटर में कितना होगा? 500 milliliters. Very good. Okay, so using this formula, we are going to solve some sums of conversion. Okay, so come on, let's get on to it. So, to solve sums of conversion, you will get questions like this. How many milliliters are there in 4 liters? Let's translate it into Hindi. In 4 liters के अंदर कितने मिलीलीटर्स है? So let's try to write that down in numbers. 4 liters के अंदर कितने milliliters है? This is what the question is asking you. How will you solve it? Simple. Just take liter का formula. Liter का formula says 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Remember girls, always write the L in cursive so that you won't get confused with 1 and L. Okay? So, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore, 4 liter is equal to, take this 4 multiplied by 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 4 ones are 4 and put the 1, 2, 3 and the ml. 1, 2, 3 and ml. Finish. The answer is 4000 milliliter. Finish. This is how it's going to be answered. Then, what if you get a mixed fraction? Let's try to understand that. So the question that they'll be asking for a conversion of mixed fraction will be like this. How many milliliters are there in 7¼ liter? 7¼ liter के अंदर कितने milliliters है? Let's try to write that down in numbers. So 7¼ liters is equal to dash milliliter. Let's try to solve this. Okay, what is the first step we do for a mixed fraction? We forget that there is a fraction at all. So we'll remove the quarter. We'll just take 7. 7 liter is equal to dash milliliter. Let's take the formula. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Therefore, 7 liter is equal to, take the 7 and multiply by 1000 milliliter from the formula. Okay, 7 ones are 7 and put the 3 zeros and the ml too. So we got the answer 7000 milliliter. So 7 liter is 7000 milliliter. Now what do? Now we have to take the fraction. What is the fraction? Quarter. So what is quarter? Quarter is half of half, right? So if 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, 1000 millimeter ka half is, half liter will be 500 milliliter and 500 ka bhi aadha is 250. So quarter liter is equal to 250 milliliter. So come on, let's try to take the entire number. Therefore, 7¼ liter is equal to, 7 का आंसर क्या है? What do we get? We got it as 7000. 7000 milliliter plus, we'll take quarter liter. Quarter liter is equal to 250. We'll take it from the formula itself. Alright, and let's add this in the rough column. 7000 plus 250. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 7. Answer is 7250. Let's write it down. Is equal to 7250 milliliter. Let's write the answer down. 7250 50. Clear? Finish. That's the answer. So did you see how easy it was? So here on screen is your liter ka formula that you have to learn by heart. So learn it and do not forget and do not get confused. Okay? God bless you. Bye-bye. See you.